Hey, it's Julia Alkire and Jenny Escalero here to teach you about
saturated, unsaturated, and supersaturated solutions.
saturated solutions is a solution in which the maximum amount of solvent has been dissolved.
Unsaturated solutions is a solution in which less than the maximum amount of solvent has been dissolved.
And supersaturated solutions is a solution in which more than the maximum amount of solvent has been dissolved.
We will use this graph for the following examples. At 60 degrees Celsius, 75 grams of sodium nitrate is dissolved in 100 grams of water. Is this solution saturated, unsaturated, or supersaturated? If we look at the graph, we find that 60 degrees Celsius and 75 grams of sodium nitrate is just below the line. So it's unsaturated.
A saturated solution of potassium chlorate is formed from 100 grams of water. If cooled from 80 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, how many grams of precipitate is formed? Let's look at the graph. 80 degrees Celsius is at 40 grams, and 50 degrees Celsius is at 20 grams. So 40 minus 20 equals 20 grams.
At 30 degrees Celsius, 80 grams of sodium nitrate is dissolved in 100 grams of water. Is this solution saturated, unsaturated, or supersaturated? If we look at the graph, 30 degrees Celsius to 80 grams would be over the line, so it would be supersaturated.
So let's review. Saturated is maximum amount of solvent dissolved in the solution, which on the graph would be just on the line.
Unsaturated is less than the maximum amount of solvent dissolved in solution, which would be below the line.
And supersaturated is more than the maximum amount of solvent in solution, which would be above the line. Thanks for watching.